So the first accessory we're going to be demonstrating on later today is a flat plunger accessory. It's a solid piece of mild steel which you can use with or without the housing it comes with. Housing's really useful if you're, let's say, griddling onions for hot dogs or burgers, things like this. You can also use this plunger for scallops, pieces of fish, liver, things like that. You must be mindful when you're using this piece of equipment in that the temperature will get hotter because there's no ventilation in it. So when you're using this accessory, we recommend turning the grill, your standard grilling temperature down. The next accessory we have is a different kind of bar. So this is what we call a triangular shaped bar, which has been turned over. So it's made out of cast iron. This bar is stickier. Because it's cast iron, food will stick on it a little more. Makes it ideal for cooking skin on fish, skin side down. Keeps the fish stuck onto the cast iron, keeps it lovely and flat. You get a really lovely, even, crispy finish on fish skin. The next accessory we're going to be working with today is what we call a hybrid griddle bar. Now, this is for customers who have invested in Synergy Grill and might want to be doing some griddling and other types of cooking. Now, unlike the upturned bars we have here, these are made from mild steel. They are solid on both sides, which helps really keep the temperature inside them. Once again, if you're using this accessory, it's necessary to turn your standard kind of grill temperature setting down by probably 2 to 3 marks, depending on how many of these products you have. And what this does as well is enables you to griddle food or give the appearance of griddle food, but still take advantage of the fat atomizing technology. So as they have slits running through the bars, you'll find that fats can still drain away and vaporize in the pit underneath the bars. The diamond-shaped bars are supplied as standard with our gas grill products, and the triangle-shaped bars or pyramid-shaped bars are supplied as standard with our electric products. You can interchange these two. If you speak to your representative or your dealer, they can make that change for you.